You can relate this one. When you can, psychological studies suggest that when you cannot stop thinking of someone, it's more likely because they are thinking about you as well.